Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by using a desktop browser and signing into the Google account for the channel you control. Once done, make sure to back up channel metadata and download any shorts you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Next, open YouTube Studio and go directly to Content to filter by short uploads. You'll act on items immediately. Don't pause for general settings. This first step locates every short, so you can batch manage them rather than hunting individually. You now filter the content view to show only shorts and select them in bulk. This saves hours. Once selected, choose whether to delete, change to private, or edit titles/descriptions to remove the short formatting. Deleting is permanent, so be deliberate. After clearing existing shorts, go to Upload Defaults and adjust visibility, tags, and thumbnail rules to steer new uploads away from the automated shorts shelf. Doing both cleanup and prevention reduces recurrence and keeps your channel consistent. You finish by verifying the change on mobile. Clear the YouTube app cache, reopen, and confirm the shorts shelf and short videos are gone from your channel. Then monitor analytics in Google Search Console for any remaining indexed short URLs and request removals if needed. If shorts reappear, investigate cross-posting services or connected apps that may be re-uploading content. One troubleshooting tip: revoke API access for any third-party app. Then recheck uploads to stop automated reuploads permanently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.